How to download racing games in PC or laptop. So if you want to download racing games in PC or laptop, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then search for Steam. After searching, go with the first option, which is Welcome to Steam, and make sure to install the Steam application. In my case, I've already installed it. If you've not installed it, then you can go with Install Steam, which is on the top right, and then you can install your Steam application. After installing, you can open up the application and then go with search. And after searching, you need to just simply go with a game that is free. So for example, I've choose this one. This is free. You can just simply scroll down and you will have play game option. You can just simply click on play game and you'll be able to play the game. But make sure that you've installed your Steam application. So from Steam, you'll be able to play racing games or download racing games. Or there's also other option, which is if you're using your Windows 10 or 11, then you will have an application named Microsoft Store, which is a built-in application. And from here, you can scroll down and you'll find the games, or you can also go with the gaming section, which is on the upper left. And from the gaming section, you need to go with racing games and scroll down, and here you will have all of the racing games. So select the racing game that you would like to play, and then you will have an option of get or install. So you can just simply click on install and it will start the installing process. So that's how you can download racing games in PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.